Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the Arizona Master Naturalist Maricopa County Chapter website. So you can see here I'm on the home page, and again that link is azmnmcp.org. And when you're on the home page, you're going to see ways that you can volunteer, ways to become a master naturalist. You're going to see the vision and the mission and how to get involved, how to donate. So this is a great link to share with the community to inspire others to participate and join. So it really covers like a big overview of the why we do what we do and who we are. So you can read the mission and vision. You can see there's a lot of links here. There's some testimonials, and again, ways to become a master naturalist. So that is all right on the home page. And then if you come up along here, you're going to see the donate tab, more about us, our projects, our partners, our land acknowledgement, the chapters. You're going to see here ways to become a friend, a partner, a speaker. So these are great to like share with others, as I mentioned, the community, friends, families, colleagues. And then you're going to see here public events calendar. And so you have there are things that are posted here. It's very easy to see at a glance what's coming up and where it's happening. Here is actually the Master Naturalist blog, which I actually really enjoyed reading. I actually got into reading some of these posts. I think they're really informative. They're inspiring. A lot of them are written from the community, by by experts, many of whom you might recognize even from the cohort meetings that we have. So you can go through here and explore some of the blog posts. Here you're going to see the area for chapter members only. And so that is where we're going to head into the website. So when you click in here, you're going to see you're going to use that email and the login information that you were provided through email communication. So phoenixmasternaturalist@gmail.org. You're going to sign in. And then you're going to see this is the password protected section and includes everything you need to know to be a successful Maricopa County Master Naturalist. So you're going to see here the quick links directory. And here we have advanced training, promotional materials, information about the board, a calendar, capstone submissions, which will come up toward, you'll learn about that as you go through the course, contact list, social media. This is your logistics area, how to access that, questions to the timekeeper, a lot of information and details here again about how to volunteer, where to volunteer, when to volunteer, and then more about links you right back to the website again. You got your policies. You also have the links to the YouTube channel. So a lot of things right here. Also, while you're out volunteering, risk management is really important. So you'll see here the accident report form and additional, you can order logo gear. That was something new that came out. So if you're wondering where I can get one of those really cool caps or shirts, you can order things here. Everything from shirts to hats to sweatshirts to drinkware, and show off the Arizona Master Naturalist pride. So that is everything. That's a quick links directory. This is the link to the handbook, which you can see here and contains a lot of detailed information, the core values, volunteer service, expectations, policies, all those things are really important, and that's in one place. Then here you're going to see the link to member resources. That contains a video here, more information about timekeeping, more information about ways to get involved. There's links to the folder, links to the volunteer listing, and certification and award details, and then the we need information details about the badge, to make sure you take care of your badge whenever you go out to volunteer or do the field labs. And then here's more shared chapter content, so associated chapters all the way down, Pima and Maricopa, and then more information about risk management, and then some information about the logos here. They are contained in the folder, and you can download whatever you need for the purposes of the master naturalist work that you do. So again, that is an overview of the Arizona Master Naturalist website.